Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today we're going to learn about mixed numbers, fractions and decimals. This is just a continuation of numbers what we have learned in our first lesson. Moreover, they are all interconnected. For example, if we want to learn about decimals, then we need to know about numbers and fractions first. So let's start with the mixed numbers first. So the mixed numbers are the numbers that we can express in quotient, dividend, divisor, and remainder form. And the basic template for expressing the mixed numbers are dividend is equal to divisor remainder over quotient. And let's take an example, 9 by 4. If we divide 9 by 4 and 4 into 2, 8, and we got 1 as a remainder. So here 9 is a dividend. That means the number that we are dividing is 9 and the number that is dividing by is 4, which is divisor, and this is quotient, and this is remainder. So if we put these values in the template here, so the divisor is 4 and the remainder is 1 and the quotient is 2. So here 4 is a whole number and 1 over 2 is a fraction. So the basic meaning of fraction is a small part of something. But in mathematics, fraction is what we express in numerator and denominator. So let's take an example. 4 over 2. So 4 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Let's take a different example that will cover the decimal part too. So 9 by 6. So here 9 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. And if we divide 9 by 6, 6 into 1, 6. And here we got 3 in a remainder. So here we have two options. We can express this in mixed numbers and decimals. We have already discussed the mixed numbers earlier, so now we're going to learn about the decimals. So here we have to borrow a 0 and now we have to give it back. Now we are giving it back in the form of decimal. So we are putting a decimal point here. So 6 into 5 is 30. So basically, if we express this fraction in decimal form, the answer would be 1.5. So in the previous example, we have learned how to convert a fraction to decimal. So now we're going to learn how to convert a decimal to fraction. So for example, if we are given 1.5 and if we need to convert this decimal to fraction, how are we going to do it? So you just follow the simple steps. First of all, we need to know how many digits are after the decimal. So as there is only one digit after the decimal, so we need to put 10 in a denominator, and now we're going to find out the number that divides both the numerator and denominator. So the number that divides both the numerator and the denominator is 5. So 5 into 3 is 15 and 5 into 2 is 10. So 3 by 2 is a fraction. Now we're going to learn about the special case of decimal. Let's take this example 0.777 and so on. Why this is called a special case? Because here we can see we don't know how many digits are after a decimal, and the digits here are non-terminating and repeating. That means this is given in a rational form, and that is the reason why we can't follow our previous approach like we did in our previous example. So how are we going to solve this? Let's assume this decimal form as x, and multiply left hand side and right hand side by 10. So what we got, and say this is 1 and this is 2, and subtract 2 from 1. 10x minus x is 9x, and if we subtract this from this, so what we got, 7. So that means the answer of this decimal form is 7 by 9.